Hello all. In this video, we shall discuss some of the operators which are used in Python. For this, I have taken the help of W3 Schools, a tutorial for Python programming. I thank the W3 Schools for providing me an online platform in teaching. So basically, the Python divides the operator into the following groups. Certain operators which are associated with arithmetic operations, certain operators which are associated with assignment, certain operators for comparison, certain logical operators are there, certain identity operators are there which is very important. Assignment and identity play a very important role in Python programming. Membership operator, bitwise operator. So let us see all these operators one after another. Now moving on to the arithmetic operators. As we all know, it's common. Plus is used for addition, minus is used for subtraction, star is used for multiplication, hash is used for division, percentage is used for modulus, and remember here double star is used for exponentiation. So I'll show an example as shown here. If x is 2, y is 5, 2 to the power 5 is equivalent to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 32. So double star here plays a role of exponential. Normally in some of the programming languages, we use a function called power function. Power of x comma y means x to the power y. But same thing is explained or mentioned here using an operator which is called double star, which is used to find out the exponentiation. Then next one is a flood division, or sorry, floor division. So what is a floor division, right? What is a floor division? One very important concept which we are learning. I'll take an example. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 2, x by y, that is 15 by y, which is equal to 7.5. 7 into 2 is 14. Then 15 means 7.5. So the concept of floor division says it will round up the answer to the nearest whole number. It's down, not up. It rounds the result down. 7.5 means it goes to 7. So I will take another example. I'll take 9, or let me take 10, and I'll take 3, and I'll see it is 3.33333333. So the answer becomes 3. It is brought down. The result will be brought down to the nearest whole number. Say, let us say 12. 12 is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. So if I divided 11 by 3, something like 3.5 or 3.66 or something will come. But even then, your answer becomes 3 only. So remember, floor division will bring down the answer to the nearest whole number. This is one point which we have to understand here at this example is given. So we have already seen. Yeah. Now this is about assignment operator. So in the previous case, we have seen the arithmetic operators. Following are the arithmetic operators. Now let us see the assignment operator. Basically, one operator which is very common, x is equal to 5. See, this is used in most of the cases. X plus is equal to 3 means x is equal to x plus 3. So x minus or equal to 3, which is equal to x is equal to x minus 3. Normally these operators we use in C or C++ programming language. But this operator also is used. X star or equal to 3 means x is equal to x into 3. So if I want to try it out, so x value is 5 and x star or equal to 3 means 5 into 3, that is 15. X is equal to x into 3, which is equal to 15. So star or equal, or this also x slash or equal to 3 means x is equal to x by 3. And similarly we use the x mod or equal to 3. X is equal to x mod 3. The remainder will be given. So you need not separately write here x is equal to x mod 3. Similarly, it's x floor division. So x floor division, x is equal to x floor division 3. So this is exponentiation. Okay, exponentiation. Now here x and is equal to 3, which is equal to x and 3. So we are using bitwise operator here. X and 3 means 5 and 3. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So the logic I will tell you. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. So when you AND it, we are using logical AND. When you AND it, we get the answer as 0, 0, 0, 1. Whereas suppose if I use 6 here, what is 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. So the resultant becomes 2. See, what is the resultant? 0, 0, 1, 1. Sorry, 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. And 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. Then if you AND it, answer you are getting is 0, 0, 1, 0. So that is 2. So x is equal to x and 3. That is the answer. Similarly, x or equal to 3. That's another option. So this is x to the power 3. X or 3. So this is left shift or right shift. So this is right shift operator, means you shift it by 3. 0, 1, 0, 1. 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. If you shift it towards right, so answer becomes 3. Suppose if I use say 7, or I will use 8 I will use. So if I use 8, what is the expected answer? Let us see. 1, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, right shift. So try to understand right shift. The initial value is 1, 0, 0, 0. If you shift it right by 1, it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0. If you shift it right by 2, it becomes 0, 0, 1, 0. If you shift it by 3, it becomes 0, 0, 0, 1. So 1 is the answer. Right shift. So I may use, say I'll use a logic to explain this. I'll take this example only. X is equal to 8. X right shift 3 times. So what answer we are getting? Let us take an example. What is 8? 1, 0, 0, 0. So if you right shift it by 1, it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0. Right shift it by 2, it becomes 0, 0, 1, 0. If you right shift it by 3, it becomes 0, 0, 0, 1. So ultimately, what answer you get is 0, 0, 0, 1. So let me try with the 2. So instead of 3, I will try with the 2. What is the answer I get? Let us see. What is the expected answer? Answer is 2. Why? See, 1, 2, 2 right shift. It is 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0 is 2. So this is how right shift takes place. This is how left shift takes place. Okay. Now coming to comparison operator. Here are some important informations we have to study. See, this is equivalent operator. X equals to y. If x is 5, y is 5, then you'll get true or false. Let's see. So let's write a code here. See, so I make x as say equals to 5.0. I'll take y equals to 5. Then I'll use if x is equal to y, then print numbers are equal. Else print numbers are not equal. So let's run this. Here one very important point we have to note down. One very important point is that to note down here, which let me explain you. In the beginning, I have explained you if x equal to y. Yeah. There is a small mistake. Yes. Then even for else also this is required. See, numbers are equal. See, what you have to note here is what is the data type of x? It is float. What is the data type of y? It is an integer. But both are equal. So here one very important point to notice, even though the data type are different, if the value are same, you can consider them as equal. Okay, suppose if I consider, let us see what is the expected output. I will consider 5 as a text. Okay, 5 as a text. Now let me run this program. See, numbers are not equal. Why? Because 5 is treated as a text, but this is treated as a number. But if I treat this as a number, both integer as well as float, it will consider as equal. Now there are some other features which are yet to be discussed, which is called identical. So the identical feature, let me explain you. Identical operator, let me explain you. So anyway, not equal is similar, simple. Greater than is what we do normally in the regular program. So just look at this example. So the example itself will tell you how a greater than function work. So yeah, see, print x or greater than y. So you'll get true. Suppose if I make this as true and run, you get an answer as false. It's actually print x greater than y is actually a Boolean output. So true or false. So you get. So similarly, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are all operators. Now, so these are all logical operators, okay, and operators, or operators, not operators. So these are all logical operators which are similar. But now coming to this identical operator, this is something special. The answer is either true or false if the variables are the same object. If not, your output will be wrong. See, I'll take an example. X is equal to apple and banana. Y is equal to apple and banana. Z is equal to X. Okay. Print X is Z means what? Whether they are equal or not. Right? They are equal. Now, print X is Z means X is apple and banana. So Z is equal to X. Both are of same type. Now coming to X is Y. Here answer is false. Even though Y is, the content of Y is the same. Apple and banana, but it's of different objects. So you are getting answer as false. But of course, if you consider print X is equal to Y, it's true because the values are the same. See, in the case of compare equal operator, that is a conditional operator, it will look into the content. Whether it is of different type, it doesn't bother. But in case of is or not, is not, they are identical operators. So we shall say, try the same. Print, see, right? Let me say, if X is Y. Numbers are not equal. So why X is 5? So now let me test with this. Let me check with this. Numbers are equal because here both are of integer type. Both are of integer type. So that's why they are equal. Suppose if I put a different 5.0, right? So now same thing. Let me copy and paste here. Control C. So I will paste here. So in this case, what I do is I'll just use comparative operator. See the difference. You can see the difference. See, in first case, you get numbers are not equal because it is identical operator. Now in the case, numbers are equal because it is assignment operator. Not assignment, it is equal or comparative operator. It is identical, it is equal operator. So the difference you can definitely make out here. Identical means data type also must be same, and here data type need not be same, but values must be same. This is one point which Python looks into, is and is not, which are the two identical operators which are used. Now coming to membership operators. So if the X is in Y, means if X is a member of Y, then answer becomes true. If X is not a member of Y, then answer becomes false. Normally this point we use in mathematics when we talk about sets and subsets. So Python can be used for some statistical calculations also. Normally when we say subset, what is a subset? Subset is an extracted set from an original set which contains the values which are available in the original set. So which can be considered here. So what are we actually planning to mention? Whether X is a member of Y. Okay, whether X is a member of Y. So what is the meaning here? X has got two values, apple and banana. Now, do you find banana in X? What is a banana? It's a member. It's a subset. Suppose if I mention, let us say, I will mention Y is equal to say apple. Okay. Now I shall test here Y in X. Let us see what is expected answer. What is Y? The answer is true. Why? Why the answer is true? Because Y contains an element where that element is one of the member of the list which X contains. X is a list with the apple and banana being the two elements of the list. Y is one, it's a subset actually. So definitely Y is a subset of X. This means print Y in X means it is, if it is true means Y is a subset of X. Whereas if I alter this X in Y, I will try X in Y. The answer is wrong. Because so the answer is wrong. So because X is a set where Y is a string variable. So because see X is a list cannot be compared with the single variable. Or if I treat it as a say apple, comma, say grape. Okay. Now if I run, my answer becomes wrong. Answer is false because these two contents are not there. Whereas let me update it. Let us say I will add grape also. Here I will add grape also here. Now what is expected answer? Answer should be true because apple and grape are already grape. G must be capital. Apple and grape false. Here a P. Yeah, elements are exchanged. I will add it here. Apple and grape. Yeah, now it is true. So individual element must be a subset of the. It should be member. See, membership means an individual element must be a member of the list. So not in is the reverse of it. Anyway, exactly like other programming language, we have bitwise operators. Okay, AND operator, X and Y, OR operator, X or Y, then XOR operator, NOT operator, zero fill left, zero fill right. So that also we have discussed. Coming to operator precedence, precedence rule which is there for other programming languages will work out here also the same, no change in the precedence, right? So parenthesis being the top precedence, followed by exponential, followed by unary plus, unary minus, unary and bitwise operator, then multiplication, division, floor division and modulus, followed by plus and minus, followed by bitwise left and bitwise right, then logical operators, and then comparison operators, logical not and or. These are all the precedence, order of precedence, which are quite common with the others. So these are all related to operators. So some of the examples. Multiply 10 with 5. What is the operator we need to put here? Here we are supposed to put star. So simple exercises are given here in this site. Okay, then with this, let me finish my video of operators. So this video is concentrating only on the various operators present in Python. Thank you.